What do you have? Good job.
Hello everyone and welcome to Umusambi Trivia Competition. Today we're going to talk about something that we see everywhere. Can you guess what it is? It's plastic. Plastic is used in everyday items like water bottles, toys, and many more. Take a moment to look around your house. How many plastics do you see? It's a lot, right? Did you know that plastic can take hundreds of years before it's able to decompose? Today our competition moves into round 2. Let's welcome back the following schools. Today we have Apayer and Imanzi City of Main School. Let's begin. Let's dive into the rules of this exciting competition. We have 6 themes: biodiversity, ecosystems, water, endangered species, bats, and birds. Each theme offers questions worth 100, 200, or 300 points. Here's how it works. First, we shuffle cards with the themes on them. A player calls stop, and the theme is revealed. Then the player chooses the point value they'd like to play for. Each point value has a limited number of questions, so strategy matters. If the team answers the question correctly, they earn the points. If not, they don't earn anything for that round. We keep going until all the questions run out. Finally, we tally the scores, and the school with the highest point wins and earns a spot in the next round. What do you have?
Ecosystem.
Ecosystems, how many points would you like?
200.
200 points on ecosystems, let's have it. What is a food web? A diagram of herbivores. B, a network of food chains. C, a list of animal habitats. Your timer starts now.
I got the answer.
You got the answer?
B.
B, let's have it. That is correct. Here you go. You can clap for each other. What do you have?
Ecosystem.
How many points would you like?
300.
300 points on ecosystems. Let's have it. What is the difference between a food chain and a food web? A, food chains only show herbivores. B, food webs have no producers. C, food chains go in a line, whereas webs are interconnected. Your timer starts now.
C.
Let's have it. That is correct. Here you go. What do you have?
Bats.
Bats, how many points would you like?
100.
300 points on bats. Let's have it. What anatomical feature of bats allows them to fly? A, their digestive systems. B, their tails. C, their potassium. Timer starts now.
I got the answer.
What's the answer?
C.
Let's have the answer. That is correct. Here you go. What do you have?
Endangered species.
How many points would you like?
300.
300 points on endangered species. The Guardian's gorilla is found in which of the following countries? A, Uganda. B, Rwanda. C, Democratic Republic of Congo. Your timer starts now.
B. Rwanda.
B, Rwanda. Let's see. It's actually C, the Democratic Republic of Congo.
Stop.
What do you have?
Endangered species.
How many points would you like?
300.
300 points on endangered species. What is rewilding? A, a form of habitat restoration. B, a way to tame wild animals. C, a way to keep wild animals in urban areas. Your timer starts now.
A.
A, let's have it. That is correct. Here you go.
Stop.
What do you have?
Ecosystems.
Ecosystems, how many points would you like?
300.
300 points, let's have it. What is the significance of wetlands in flood control? A. Slowing down flood waters. B. Speeding up flood waters. C. They have no effect on flood waters. Your timer starts now.
We got the answer.
What's the answer?
C.
C, let's have it. Is actually A. So, wetlands help control floods by absorbing and slowly releasing flood water. The vegetation also stabilizes soil and stops it from washing away during floods. Now, let's try to understand plastics better. Plastics are made from little tiny blocks called monomers, kind of like Lego bricks. When we connect them, they make polymers. This is how plastic is made. There are different types of plastics. Some are soft, others are flexible, others are hard, some can be recycled, and others cannot. What is recycling? Recycling happens when we collect bottles, paper, cans, and other materials and send them to the recycling center. There, machines wash them, clean them, sort them, and turn them into raw materials. These raw materials are then used to make new products, like old bottles being turned into new bottles.
And those papers, there are some images. You will see the thing you will find on those papers, you will first think, this is in a biodegradable material or biodegradable material. If you find it's in a biodegradable, you will learn and come here and put it on this basket. If it's biodegradable material, you will put it here, okay? Right, we are two groups. We are working in those two groups, Imanzi on the green one and Apayer on the yellow one. And I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. Okay, now come back here. Here we have also like the banana peels and orange peels. Those ones, they are biodegradable materials. Agree?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you have?
Bats.
Bats, how many points would you like?
300.
300 points on bats. What is the role of the bat's nose leaf in echolocation? A. Improving smell to find partners. B. Directing and focusing echolocation. C. Improving smell to find food. Timer starts now.
I got the answer.
What's the answer?
C.
C. Let's have the answer. It's actually B. So, the nose leaf is a special fleshy structure on the bat's nose that helps in echolocation by focusing sound waves. Its shape and size vary among species, but in all species it helps bats to navigate and to hunt. What do you have? Bats, how many points would you like?
200.
200 points on bats. What is the largest species of bat? A. Little brown bat. B. Vampire bat. C. The giant golden crowned flying fox. Timer starts now.
I got the answer. C.
And that is correct. Here you go.
Stop.
What do you have?
Endangered species.
Endangered species. How many points would you like?
200.
200 points on endangered species. And the question is, what is the main threat to the black rhino population in East Africa? A. Habitat loss. B. Climate change. C. Poaching. Timer starts now.
C.
C, let's have it. And that is correct. Here you go. What do you have?
Birds.
Birds. How many points would you like?
200.
200 points on birds. Do gray crowned cranes migrate? A, no. B, yes. C, when the weather is bad. The timer starts now.
I got the answer.
What's the answer?
A.
A, let's have it. That's absolutely correct. What do you have?
Birds.
Birds. How many points would you like?
200.
200 points on birds. And the question is, why do fish eagles need trees? A, for food storage. B, nesting and roosting. C, for calling. Your timer starts now.
B.
B, let's have it. That is correct. Here you go. What do you have?
Endangered species.
Endangered species. There's only 100 points on endangered species. The turtle is an endangered marine animal with 4 flippers and a hard shell. True or false? Timer starts now.
I got the answer.
And what's the answer?
True.
True, let's have it. That is correct. There we go. Now that we know about landfills, let's talk about plastic pollution. Millions of tons of plastic end up in our oceans, our rivers, and on our lands. This really harms our ecosystems and wildlife. Sea creatures are harmed the most because they sometimes mistake this plastic for food, and that ends up hurting them or sometimes killing them. How can we stop this from happening? Many of the daily choices that we use involve using single-use plastics, like the water bottle and the juice bottle that you take to school every single day. We can opt for something better, like a reusable water bottle. We're so lucky that in Rwanda, they no longer allow the use of single-use plastics. Using paper bags instead of plastic bags and paper straws instead of plastic straws has made a huge difference for our planet. What do you have?
Bats.
Bats. How many points would you like?
200.
200 points on bats. How long can bats live without water? A, 2 to 3 days. B, 1 month. C, 1 hour.
I got our answer.
That's your answer?
A.
Let's have it. And that is correct. What do you have?
Water.
Water. How many points did you? 300 points. 300 points on water. What is ocean acidification? A, plastic waste in the ocean. B, carbon dioxide absorption in the ocean. C, an increase in the salt levels of the ocean. Your timer starts now.
C.
C, let's have it. It's actually B.
Stop.
What do you have?
Ecosystem.
Ecosystems. How many points would you like?
200.
200 points on ecosystems. What is a habitat? A, a climate zone. B, a type of animal. C, the natural home of an organism.
C.
Okay, let's have the answer. And that is correct. Here you go. What do you have?
Birds.
How many points? It's only 100 points left on birds. Birds vocalize to attract mates, defend their territories, and to interact with parents. Your timer starts now. Is it true or is it false?
Birds vocalize to attract mates. Get the answer.
What's your answer?
False.
False. Let's have it. It is actually true.
Stop.
What do you have?
Water.
Water. How many points did you like?
300.
300 points on water. What is the importance of wetlands in the ecosystem? A. To filter water. B. To speed up flood water. C. There are fish farms. Your timer starts now. And time.
Answer.
Yes, what's your answer?
A.
A, let's have it. That is correct. Here you go.
Stop.
What do you have?
Biodiversity.
Biodiversity. How many points did you like this? 300, 200, 100?
300.
300 points on biodiversity. Let's have the question. What is a trophic cascade? Cascade is when something collapses, okay? But what is a trophic cascade? Changes in an ecosystem from adding or taking away A. A top predator. B. Herbivores. C. Grasslands. Your timer starts now. What's your answer?
A.
A, let's have it. That is very correct. There you go.
Stop.
What do you have?
Biodiversity.
Biodiversity. How many points would you like?
300.
300 points on biodiversity. Let's have it. What is the largest living structure on Earth? A. The Sahara Desert. B. The Amazon rainforest. C. The Great Barrier Reef. Your timer starts now.
Is it A? I think it's B, but again, I don't think so. C.
C. Let's have it. That is very correct. There you go.
Stop.
What's that?
Endangered species.
Endangered species. There's only 100 points left on endangered species. And the question is, gorillas live in rainforests. True or false?
True.
Have your answer?
False.
Take your
no,
time.
wait,
Take your time. Take your time. And time. Let's have an answer.
False.
The answer is false. Let's have it.
No.
So, hold on, guys. You actually said false. So, mountain gorillas live in the dense, misty forest of volcanic mountains. These high-altitude rainforests provide them with the shelter and food they need. What happens when we don't recycle? The products that we use end up as trash, and this trash ends up somewhere. Most big cities have what we call landfills. These are places where we dump all our trash. They're huge lands, they take up so much space, and they pollute the air, the water, and soil. But when we recycle, we help keep our planet safe and healthy for everyone. What do you have?
Biodiversity.
Biodiversity. How many points did you like?
200.
200 points. Let's have it. And the question is, what is the most diverse group of animals on Earth? A. Insects. B. Mammals. C. Fish. Your timer starts now.
B.
B. Let's have it. It's actually A.
Stop.
What do you have?
Biodiversity.
Biodiversity. How many points would you like? 200 points for biodiversity. What is a biodiversity hotspot? A. Areas with no human activity. B. Areas with few species. C. Area of high endemism. Endemism is the name of species which only occur in one place and nowhere else. Timer starts now.
I got an answer.
You got the answer? And what's the answer?
C.
Let's have it. And that is correct. Here you go.
Stop.
What do you have?
Biodiversity.
Biodiversity. There's only 100 points left on biodiversity. Let's have a question. The octopus has 8 tentacles, which it uses like legs. True or false? Timer starts now.
It's true.
It's true. Let's have it. And that is correct. There you go.
Stop.
What do you have?
Biodiversity.
Biodiversity. There's only 100 points left on biodiversity. The largest forest on Earth is the Congo rainforest. True or false?
False.
False. Let's have it. That is correct. Here are your points.
Stop.
What do you have?
Ecosystems.
Ecosystems. There's only 100 points left on ecosystems. Let's have a question. And the question is, there are 2 components of an ecosystem, non-living and living factors. True or false? Timer starts now.
True.
True. Let's have it. That's correct. There you go. What do you have?
Bats.
Bats. There's only 100 points on bats. The primary diet of most bats is insects, fruit, blood, and meat or fish. True or false? Timer starts now.
Get the answer.
You've got the answer. What's the answer?
True.
Let's have it. That is very correct. There you go.
Stop.
What do you have? Water. How many points would you like? 200 points on water. What is the most common use of fresh water? A. Agriculture. B. Waste disposal. C. Food manufacturing. The timer starts now.
We got our answer.
What's your answer?
A.
A. Let's have it. That is correct. There you go. What do you have?
Bats.
Bats. There's only 100 points left on bats. And the question is, bats wrap their wings around branches to hang upside down. True or false? Timer starts now.
I got the answer.
What's the answer?
It's false.
Take your time.
False.
False. Let's have it. You are correct. Here you go.
Stop.
What do you have?
Ecosystems.
Ecosystems. There's 100 points left for ecosystems. Forests, wetlands, and coral reefs are examples of an ecosystem. True or false? Timer starts now.
I got the answer.
And what's the answer?
True.
True. Let's have it. That is correct. Here you go. All right, I want you guys to give yourselves a big round of applause. You all did great, and we're about to find out the score. The team that has won this round and is moving to the finals is Imanzi City of Maine School. Congratulations. And you guys all did great. So Imanzi got 2,800 points and Apair got 2,300 points. So you all did amazing. Today we learned that while plastic can be useful, it can also be harmful to our environment. By making better choices and encouraging others to do the same, we can help have a cleaner and healthier planet. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Umusambi Trivia Competition. Let's continue to explore about how we can take action against plastic pollution. Until next time, remember,
Do something drastic, say no to plastic.